We've been present in the MENA region for more than 30 years now, and a range of boilers, which are the steam boilers, thermal oil heaters on various fuels like oil, gas, heavy oil, have been serving the markets for all these years now. Some of our latest offerings, which we have for the market, in our effort towards energy transition, are the electrical heaters, electrical boilers. Now this is one, which is the Thermatron, which caters to steam requirement up to 6 ton, has an advantage of having zero emissions. So companies which are looking in for, carbon reduction, net zero emissions, this is one of the products. If it is coupled to the green source of energy, it's absolutely zero emission product. This product has a very small footprint, limited paraphernalia around it, so occupies a very small footprint. It is available, as I said, in the range of 600 kg to 6 tons per hour. One of these products is under execution in Saudi Arabia. The latest in this is this boiler called Effitron, which is the smaller range boilers, which is absolutely modularized electrical boiler, giving all the features what the Thermatron gives. This is ideal for industries which are lower steam requirements and can be modularized to meet their total steam requirement, like in places like laundries, some smaller food processing plants, hospitals, hotels. This is an ideal fit for those industries. In one of the units here, in a large paper plant here, we have in a sustainability drive, we have a boiler, a large capacity boiler working on waste wood derived out of waste packaging material, and that boiler continuously runs, saving a lot of carbon footprint for the company. Our star products over here for the past more than 30 years, as I said, and those have been the oil-fired boilers, the oil-fired thermal oil heaters, and the oil-fired hot water generators, including the steam accessories which are there, which cater to the down-the-line requirements in any process plant. These boilers, over a period of time, have been upgraded to various levels, and the recent one is the Thermax Global, the Shell type of oil, gas and gas-fired boilers, the Thermopack Global, which is the oil gas-fired thermal oil heaters, and a lot of steam accessories which are there, which are first time introduced by Thermax to cater to the process requirements. I'm sure for many years to come, we will continue serving the MENA market as we have been doing, and increase our footprint in this market. Thank you.